Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. This is Amy. I'm going to show you how to make these cute crochet heart pillows with a K hook. You can go up on the hook size if you want this to be bigger. It measures about 11 to 11 and a half inches. And you may need to go with thicker yarn if you want it bigger as well, or you can do more increased rounds. And if you want to make it smaller, you could go down a hook size and use thinner yarn. I used 2 strands together that were a size 4 because I did not have pink bulky yarn. You can do that as well. This pattern is listed down below in the description, and if you need to learn beginner stitches, I have a playlist down below. And also, if you need for this video to go slower, you can place it in slow motion, and there is a video on how to do that as well. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook, and I am going to start with a chain 4. And like I said, I did a double strand, which you can always do that to make it bulky. So a chain 4, and you're going to be working in rows. You need to make 2 of these. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops for a single crochet in the next 2 chains, and then turn, and then chain 1. Two single crochet increase in the first stitch, and then you're going to work a single crochet in the next stitch. So from now on, you are going to work increases only on the ends of each row, and then you'll chain 1 and turn. So 2 single crochet on the end here. Then work 2 single crochet in the first stitch, increase, and then work a single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end with 2 single crochet increase. I am working this up to 15 rows of increases on both ends. You can work more increases to make it wider, but then that will change the top once you get to the top, and I can explain that further if you do want to make it wider. And then chain 1 and turn. This is the bottom of the heart, and you will need to make 2. So 2 single crochet again, and just repeat that across with a single crochet and then an increase on the end. Okay, so this is just back and forth of an increase on the ends, and then work your 1 single crochet until you get to the other end, and then work an increase. For a total of 31 stitches at the end, and then we will do just single crochets to make it longer. Okay, so 2 single crochet at the end here, and this is all repeat. you're going to add your single crochet rows. Now you're going to do 12 rows of single crochet and start with a chain 1. When your single crochet rows are finished, it's going to look like this. Now you're going to work your halves and work a chain 1 and turn and single crochet in the next 2 stitches, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and then you're going to single crochet in the next 12 stitches. And now you're going to work 2 single crochet together. This is 1/2 of the top of the heart. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and then chain 1 and turn. And you're going to work 2 single crochet together and then single crochet into the next 10 stitches until you get to the last 2 stitches. So 1 in the next 10 stitches. And then 2 single crochet together and turn. And then you're going to work the 2 single crochet together and then single crochet in the next 8 stitches. And then just repeat that to the end with 2 single crochet together. And if you are making it wider down below, for each row that you add, you can add a single crochet in the center of the 2 single crochet together on top for the half. Now 2 single crochet at the end here together and then chain 1, turn, and then just repeat the decrease and single crochet in the next 6 stitches and decrease again. And then chain 1 and repeat with the decrease, 2 single crochet together, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then work a decrease again at the end. And this is the last row. Just work your decrease after your chain 1 and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work a decrease, and then you'll fasten off and work on the other side of the top of the heart. Go ahead and slip stitch the ends off to the side a couple of times. Slip knot onto your hook, and then you're going to slip stitch in that same stitch that you started the other half and slip stitch into it. So you will have that same stitch as you worked in the first half, slip stitch right into the same stitch. Then you're going to chain 1 and you're going to work 2 single crochet together. This is all repeat for the other side for the half of the heart on the top. Then you're going to single crochet in the next 12 stitches and then 2 single crochet together at the end, and then work 2 single crochet together and chain 1, and then work 2 single crochet together after you turn, and then work a single crochet in the next 10 stitches, and this is all repeat, and then work your 2 single crochet after your 10 single crochet, then 2 single crochet together and chain 1 and turn, and 2 single crochet together, and then just go back and forth with your 2 single crochet, and you'll end up with 4 on the top, and then fasten off. Do it the same exact way. Now you're done with the other side, and you're going to slip stitch in your sides a couple of times, and then you're going to take both of the hearts and sew them together, and then you will stuff it halfway through. And you're going to connect the two hearts with a single crochet. You can weave in all of your loose ends with your yarn needle before you sew your two hearts together with a single crochet border. Slip knot onto your hook and take both of your hearts and single crochet them together. Match up your loops from each of the hearts and grab your yarn and pull it through and single crochet with the yarn over and pull through. And then when you're about 3/4 of the way, start stuffing your heart with your stuffing. Now I'm going to start stuffing my heart. Make your stuffing somewhat loose so it's not clumpy. And to finish, I'm going to slip stitch and fasten off and weave in all of my ends. I did start towards the center of the heart for the single crochet, so I'm going to end it there. I hope you enjoyed this crochet heart tutorial. The pattern is down below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.